We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go that extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please, feel free to ask us any questions.